Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Aerospace Engineering paper. Question number 55 is a 1 meter long rod of 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter cross section is subjected to an axial tensile force of 35 kilonewton. The Young's modulus of the material is 70 GPa. The cross section of the deformed rod is 0.998 centimeter into 0.998 centimeter. The Poisson's ratio of the material is dash rounded up to 1 decimal place. So here the lateral dimension initially was 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter, and after the load applied it becomes uh, 0.998 centimeter. Okay. So now it means there is some decrease in lateral dimension. So decrease in lateral dimension is 1 minus 0.998. That is 0.002 centimeter. And initially it was 1, so lateral strain is 0.002 by 1. As there is only one load applied, that is 35 kilonewton, so that load will cause decrease in dimension. So as it is in the lateral direction, so the lateral strain will be mu into sigma by E. Here sigma is stress caused by load. So stress caused by load is your 35 into kilonewton 35 into 10 power 3, and area is 1 centimeter to 1 centimeter, and in mm it will be 10 into 10, 10. Okay. And E, Young's modulus of elasticity is 70 GPa. 70 GPa means 70 into 10 power 3 Pascal. Sorry, megapascal. 70 into 10 power 3 megapascal, and megapascal is Newton per mm. So as we have taken this in Newton, this in mm, so this we will also take in Newton per mm square. So that is 70 into 10 power 3 Newton per mm square. Okay. So from this mu comes out as 0.4. 35 by 70 is 2. Okay. So 2 into 20, 10 into 10 will be 200, and this is your 0.002. So Poisson ratio will come out as 0.4. Is the answer.